So you have already Shopify store ready. So you can see the Shopify store here. There's a very basic Shopify store. You can select a plan and get going. From here, first we go to Shopify Dev. Right, you should have an account with Shopify Dev. That will help us in the future in terms of building the products and all. You can copy this and go to your CLI. So this is a cursor, and I'm installing the CLI here. Once the Shopify is installed, you will be able to do theme pull and theme push, and you will be able to run a Shopify CLI command on your local. Right, now let's go to online store. Let's go to themes. So currently you see this is a widget store, and this is the theme that is coming. This is a very basic theme from Shopify. So for example, I have to edit theme. So either I can go edit theme, I go over here and I'll change the layouts here, or I can go and directly go edit code. Correct? You can see here the GitHub, the complete code will open up, and you will see here, and you will be able to see everything like assets and blocks and everything of Shopify. Now if need to do any updates, then what you have to do is you have to go and change this place. Now I'll show you how to sync it with local and then do the development. Yeah, so first of all, go to Shopify, go to your cursor and try to do Shopify auth login. Right, once you do auth login, it will ask you to use a particular email, and you go email. I have already logged in, so let me log out from here. Now I'm logged out, and let me log in again so that I can show you how this auth is connected. You have to press any key. This the account will open up, and here you can just enter your email and password to log into Shopify. This will authorize your account to use it. Now I confirm the successfully logged in. Now what I can do, I have to just do 1 second. Let me make it bigger. Then let's say I need to do Shopify theme pull. I need to name the store. This is a command given by Shopify so that you can pull this theme from the store. Now let's go and get the link for the Shopify store. I paste it over here, and it will start pulling the theme. And this is the horizon theme. So horizon theme I'll be pulling up, and it will pull all the theme and will put into my directory. So it has pulled assets and blocks and everything. So it's a straightforward small command, Shopify theme pull, right? And I have pulled it. All the whatever code is over here, everything, whatever code is here, it's pulled on my local. Now what I'll do, I'll try to run it. So first of all, we can tell cursor that this is how our app is. So tell please read Shopify custom development app completely, right? And this is a Shopify theme pull, and you need to help me build it better. Correct? Now it will pull it. Please create package.json, right? So that I can use npm run dev to run the theme locally, right? So this will help me run the theme locally, and whenever I'll do npm run dev, like usually people do it, and then it will be done. And also use Shopify theme pull and push command in package.json to easily push and pull these these themes, right? And also help with node modules, etc. Okay, so it will install the node modules locally and do it. Do not generate any MD files. Okay, now I'll give him the instruction, and it will create the packages so that I can run them easily on my local. It has created this, so I'll start with the first command. I'll try to do npm install Shopify. This will install Shopify. Basically I have already Shopify installed in my system, but you can do it from here. You can install the dependency using npm install. So as soon as this is done, then we can go ahead and do npm install. Meanwhile, if you want to look how the AI will be helping in terms of software development. So you just click over here, this will open up. But I have used it lots of time, but this is not as good as Cursor. And now it says that it has done changes on the UI side, but most of the times the UI looks the same, or it doesn't look like exactly what we asked for, what Cursor can do, So better to stick with Cursor for now. So this is installed. I'll install any other dependency that is also installed. I'll go and do npm run dev. As soon as you do npm run dev, it will do Shopify theme dev. The Shopify theme that is on live, it's opening on local. So now you can go ahead and you can start using it. So let's try to update this part where welcome to store is there. We want to do, let's say, free shipping, or let's say we want to add Indian flag. Okay, so we can do what we can do. We can go and search welcome to store, and it's there here inside the group JSON. So in the basically we call it header announcement, right? In the header announcement, I want to do the following: do India, do USA, do, let's say, Australia, and do, you can check the spelling, Australia, and let's say let's say UK, So all these things we are doing, and we are trying to first update this header, the announcement header, so that we can do it as per our need. See here, now two parts we have to do. One is we have to develop the theme locally, and also once you develop the theme, let's say you take a very good example of theme, like let's say, for example, I really like this theme of Two Brothers. They are in India, and they have a very good looking Shopify store. So you see here, you can see these proper menus. This all can be created with Cursor. These icons, that all can be properly done with. You can see this header. You can see these, this selection of the items and add to cart. All these video adding, everything can be done with the Cursor. Cursor development. So first, it's trying to do, let's say, it's trying to add the announcement header. Also, it's getting some error that eventually it will solve itself. But see, now next thing what we'll do, first was that we can do Shopify theme pull and Shopify theme push. Shopify theme pull I showed you already. I'll show how Shopify theme push will work once this is ready, once this is up and working. Okay, and meanwhile, what we can do with easy front, like rather than doing Shopify theme and theme push and pull, you can use a GitHub account. So let's say you have a GitHub account here. What I'll do, I'll create a repo. Let's name it, let's say, your store, Shopify store name, and make it, let's say, private. Yeah, and describe what repo that you want to build for. It will be about your store. Then this is a GitHub repo that has been created, and what I'll do, I'll initiate a git on my local. I'll keep all first of all, and let's see, copy this error, copy this and send it over here. Please help me fix it. So this is the best way to build Shopify Store 2026. You can do everything that was not possible 1 year back, right? Okay, let's say if you have already a store live, so that is difficult part that you cannot do this way. If you want to do help, like I'll help you do that. If you want to change or connect with Cursor, then I definitely can help you do that. Now this store is created. So let me create a git init, git repo local, and git ignore is already there, so it will ignore all other files that is not needed. Correct? Yeah, and so we must make sure that node modules are ignored. So I think that is already ignored, so that is cool. Then we also check this is done. Let me check on local. So this has been call us is there. This country has been added. You can see over here, right? Now let's try to do theme push, Shopify theme push, because we have already done the theme pull with the store, so it will do. And what we can do, we have two options here. You can see on the screen we are getting unpublished, right, and we are getting live, that is already there live on the store. So what we can do, we can create two versions of it. Let's say the one is live, one is your development mode. Once the development is done, properly tested, then you can live push to the production store. So it's better, like for now, I'm doing it for the live version. You can create a new theme, right? You name your own theme because you have created from a different theme, right? So you can name your own theme store and you do it. So I'll go ahead and do yes, and it will try to push the store. So this is kind of a step process where you have to maintain your code also, and you have to do theme push also. So better version of it. Now let me check the store. Here that is live over here. You can see the changes coming. Now you can do anything you want on this store because the local and cursor and your Shopify store is connected. Theme push and theme pull. We can go ahead and do git init. I think we already done git init, and then we have to do git add. So git add will add all your code. Git add dot git commit. You can write a message that this is the initial commit, correct? Once this is done, then you can create a branch. So here with branch also you can manage it. So you can create development branch, staging branch, and production branch. With the production branch, all the production push that we'll do will be synced with the Shopify. Development branch is for the developer, that all the different developers will be connected together and they'll try to build a Shopify theme or different section of the Shopify themes. And let's gonna add the remote origin, correct? And now let me push it. So whatever code has been done, let me push it to development, so that the code has been pushed. So now the theme that we're trying to build is been on GitHub now. Okay. Once this is on GitHub, you can go inside record. So you can go to themes. Inside themes, you can go connect to GitHub. Connect from GitHub, you have to log in with GitHub. Correct. You can select your account. That is your Shopify account. Then you have to, because my GitHub is logged in this browser, so I have to just confirm, and I have to. So first of all, I have tried it multiple times. So first time it doesn't show anything over here. What you have to do, you have to go again and try to click on this and connect from GitHub. The second time it does, it asks you. So which one I did, the Shopify, the Shopify store name. This one we created. You can select a branch. So development branch is there. So we'll connect it. Once the development branch is connected, then it will auto sync. Like you just have to do git push and it will auto sync. It will show here that which branch is connected, and you can easily do git push and pull and do it. Now let me see what it has done. So so now you see this is a launch offer has been created. This is country flag is there. This is there. The menu has not been fixed yet. So we'll tell again to it that please fix the menu part. Okay. Please fix the menu. Now add more menus possible. So let's do exactly same menu that Two Brothers has. So they have ghee, flour, and other ones. So all these one will be added. Please check all these menus and let me know what all menus I have to add. Correct. So this way, what we have learned so far is how to use their Shopify theme, do Shopify pull theme and push theme. We have